walk in snow 101. You gotta walk in snow. What's that? Sanka, you dead? Yeah, man. Hello, is it me you're looking for? Huh, what the hell is in there? Oh, a car. Oh!
Like right up. No, I don't.
You can do it! You can do it! Call me on the cell phone. Got
you. I told you.
Huh? Huh? Oh shit. That's why I can't trust people. I just can't trust them. I can't trust them. Ah. This, my friend, is called Snow Karma. That's the name of a drink I'm gonna release. You can only drink it during the winter. It's called Snow Karma. Did you see her bust her ass? Yeah, Snow Karma. That's the name of the beverage drink. I'm gonna mass produce it.